Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course guys, today I have this unboxing. I want to take the time to thank the guys over at Choetech for sending over this product for review. And if you guys have been tuning into the channel for a while, you may know that Choetech has been one of our great supporters. They have sent us several different devices over the years for testing, from fast wireless chargers all the way to cables. And of course we want to continue this relationship, so I want to thank those guys over there. And of course, if you have any additional stuff you want to send in for review, do so. You can find the information over on the main page of the YouTube channel, or of course over on the blog. All right, let's get straight into the unboxing. Now, what you're seeing here, guys, from what you can see on the display here, this is the Choetech USB-C to HDMI plus PD adapter, and it's a 1.8 meter or 6 foot cable. Now, of course, this cable, basically what it does, it allows any USB type C device, such as my smartphone here, which is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, or any other device with a USB type C port. So if you have a USB type C port, you can actually connect it to this end and then connect this to any device that uses a HDMI port. And of course, you can then transfer whatever is shown on your smartphone over to the TV set. And of course, guys, this cable can come in very handy. In other words, it's basically screencasting what's on your phone onto your device, which is in most cases a large screen TV. And of course, I'll be showing you this on a TV, and of course it does do additional step. It actually allows you also to project your smartphone onto a projector. And good for us, guys, we have both a large screen TV as well as a projector in house. I'll be showing that in a minute. Now let's go straight into this. And you have seen the front of the box. Do note that this is it says 4K, meaning it can support up to 4K. All right, that means 1080p, 720p, and all that will be supported up to the highest standard for most TV sets. There's USB-C PD, which is, I think, power delivery, meaning you can actually deliver power via this. So in other words, you can actually charge the phone using this cable. If I had to guess, it would be to connect your adapter to this section here and deliver power. That's great, as the connected device can keep charge. All right, here it shows you can use this for projectors, as I said, on a large screen TV or monitor or display, and it says 4K x 2K. All right, same thing over here. Basically, it shows you the various ports. It's a USB type C port, and it says USB-C, and of course it says HDMI. On the back, it gives you a breakdown. It does say wall charger can be connected for power delivery, and of course, again, it shows you can connect to your laptop, and of course your laptop, and of course your HDMI to your projector, monitor, or HD TV, as I said earlier. Now, an additional thing that I noticed here, other than your phone, so your phone could actually come here. It could also be your laptop. I also have a laptop that can be used for this. So that would mean that this could replace a traditional port, which is the traditional HDMI to HDMI. So you can have USB type C to HDMI. And of course, it gives you a variety of stuff down here, such as the 18 months warranty, lifetime technical support, and the 30-day return policy. All right, and it gives you some information about the product. You can actually pause and read at any time. I'll not read all of this out. All right, guys, so let's go straight into opening this up. And of course, it's a sealed product. And there we go. And I'm going to open this end, since this is the more prominent end. And of course, once I do that, I can slide this out of the package. And you can see here again, you might notice the Choetech zip tie, which is usually included with cables from Choetech. There's also something looking like a bookmark right here. It does say become a Facebook member of their VIP group, or something to that effect. I'm going to put this down. And of course, this is the cable itself. And of course, it's quite compact. And as you can see here, guys, it is a decent length, and they did something that I like here. They actually included these clips on the end, great for storage. Same for this section right here. They are covered, and of course it's simple, as this cable is not overly weighted. All right, so as you can see here, guys, this is the cable itself. Alright, so this is everything that comes inside of the box. Next, I'm going to show you this connected to various devices, starting first from my smartphone and then working my way over to anything else I can find that will connect, just to show you the versatility of this cable. Alright guys, this is the cable in action. As you can see here, the end is connected to the USB-N, or the USB Type-C N, I should say. And of course, the other HDMI N is connected to the TV set. Now, a quick note, guys, or something to note, is that right now I do not have the adapter connected. So I could, however, connect the adapter to one end of the other end that's plugged into the TV to actually deliver power to the connected device, which is great in cases where you would need to have this plugged in for extended time. And this is somewhere where the cable shines above other normal cables. So if your TV actually supported USB Type-C out of the box, it might not be delivering power, but I can actually use the power delivery method to deliver it through the cable. So deliver both display and power at the same time. As you can see here, the TV set is connected and it's working fine. And all I'm using is a single cable. And of course, I love that it works with or without the adapter connected. And as you can see here, I can go through. I can just do stuff like select my apps. As you can see here, I can cycle through apps and everything works just fine. If I wanted to, I could go into my music, various apps or applications. For example, if I wanted to, I could go. The internet is working fine. So you can see here, I can see all my apps. They're all here. And I could do anything such as demonstrations and so on, all while using this device right here. Alright guys, I just decided to show you the power delivery, and I've just plugged in my USB Type-C adapter, and as you can see here guys, this is the back of the TV set. Now one of these cables is black, but actually there's the cable here, and of course there's the white one here, and this one connects to the adapter. So the white one actually delivers power, while the secondary one carries the display from the phone or connected device such as a laptop right there. And you can see that it's working. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like on the projector. As you can see over here, the projector is fully running, and as you can see, this is my phone and it was effortlessly connected using the cable. And of course, I must say I like this, especially for the projector. And of course, this is one of the only ways to have your phone displayed from your projector, unless you're using some other form of wireless dongle or so on. Alright, so once you do that, you should realize that it will display almost perfectly. The tall aspect ratio is as a result of the phone screen. And of course, I'm going to show you some other stuff, but this is because I have the projector back a bit, so I can't control both the phone and the projector at the same time while angling the camera. Let me just change the orientation, as you can see here, from top to bottom. So this is what it looks like with the projector. And remember, the phone has a tall aspect ratio, and that's why it is set like this. But you can see it's quite tall. You can notice the door frame just here, and it's almost as tall as the door frame itself. Everything is working flawlessly using the cable from Choetech. And just check this out. This is the projector, guys, and this is a projector we reviewed recently, and you can check it out. I'll put a link to it as well. It's from Artley, and it's a very nice home theater projector. So as you can see here, guys, this is my phone, and that's the display that's just there. And as you see, everything looks nice. So I'm going to control from the phone, and again, you can see everything is working flawlessly. And you can check out the pictures here as well. This is a product that I reviewed recently as well. And as you can see, guys, everything is working flawlessly using the included cable. And of course, I'm loving this, guys. It works just fine. Check this out, guys. It does go wide in case you play a wide video, but of course, because I'm using just just demonstrating, Alright guys, so I'll be cutting the video here. So as you can see, this cable works flawlessly. If you need a cable like this, just check out the full review on the website. I'll also have a link to purchasing this cable from Choetech, which is the USB to HDMI cable. So Carter Garden from Blog Tips, saying bye until next time guys. Bye.